Welcome back to the GB How To channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable developer options on an Android phone. Don't skip the video so you don't miss any important steps. First, go to your phone settings. Scroll down to the bottom and select About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information. Now, tap repeatedly on the build number. The screen will now ask for your PIN. This is the PIN you use to unlock your phone. After entering your PIN, tap OK. A success message will appear. Now, go back to the main settings page to check. Good luck! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.